version, then I will just lay it on the floor of the House, if that is agreeable, sir.
Sir.
Anyway,
Excuse me, sir.
after motions, once that it should be a little bit brief. So kindly.
Excuse me, sir. Let me remind the Honorable Minister, the points raised by Ardent is in relation to the Chesterfield case. Thank you.
Sir, from the...
And the points raised by me is only about the compensation to the holidays foregone for the police. So we don't need to know all the histories and all those 15 pages of the write-ups. We request the Minister to come specific to the points that we raise. The idea is to save the time of the House so that we can go to many other important cut motions that are still following this.
Sir, right from the opening remarks, I've already clearly said, let me read out the background of the police force in the state of Meghalaya. And then I will also come to those points raised by the honorable members. But it seems the honorable members cannot wait in the longer for days. So if possible, sir, let me place it on the table of the House with a request then that the honorable members of the court motion may kindly be withdrawn.
Sir, I think you can lay that in the table of the House after having clarified the points that we have raised. Then we can discuss about the withdrawal of the court motion.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, because this is also part of my reply. It is part of my reply, so why don't you allow me to complete this?
You can complete your reply.
You know, sir, because see, by debating like this, it ends nowhere. And we are killing time unnecessarily, sir. We are killing time unnecessarily.
Sir.
So by this time, I would have only completed one page of
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, whenever we speak, you always remind us that the time is very short, make it short, make it short. So when the reply comes also, we request that ministers will be brief, not depending on those 15 pages that have been pre-typed.
Sir, in fact, it is better that the honorable members, they get more than what they want. I think that is the blessing in this House. If they get more than what they want, nothing like it. In fact, nothing like it. Well, sir, then let me come to the
Excuse me, sir. We do not want more than what we want.
Yes.
We only want what we requested.
Anyway, let the minister continue his reply with a...
The request is to be brief. The request here is to be brief, sir. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
we can pass this demand of grant for the interest of the police forces in the state of Meghalaya.
Now, may I know the minds of the members, whether he would like to withdraw his cut motion? No?
Sir, I don't think that the minister has been able to satisfy, and his reply is not satisfactory, sir, because my question is very specific when it comes to the killing of late Chesterfield. Thank you. Who gave the order for the execution of late Chesterfield? Thank you. That is very specific, sir. Under whose instruction that these police personnel resort to killing the former Judge Secretary of the HLLC, sir?
Sir, that's what I've explained. See, stage by stage. That's what we already issue explanation for to that team. So right now, I cannot say anything who has given the order or from where the order comes from until we go through all the explanation call which we already issued just a few months back.
So may I know the minds of the members?
So, sir, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, in that case, what was the original plan? Whether the plan of the government is to arrest this fellow alive or to find a way how to eliminate him?
Sir, yes, sir, very clear. It is to arrest. Because I think, sir, let us not forget one thing. since the report was already placed on the table of the House and it became also a public domain, let us read out line by line. We should not only read for that portion who committed this. I think we need to go holistically. Then we will understand the gravity of the case. Why it happened, how it happened, what is going to happen. I think that is the whole idea where we need to. But of course, what I do understand from the honourable members, his concern is whether the government, when they send the operation team, is it for killing or is it for arresting? Surely, sir, it is for arresting.
So I think as a responsible member, when we raise the issue, we just don't hit up the line that we want to raise. We have gone through the report, and this is not a case where we encounter a militant in a forest or somewhere. It is a case where a person is lying on his bed, and unfortunately that person was not caught alive and was killed. It is very simple, sir.
Minister has replied that the report is already there, and then they will study, the government will study the report and find out the person who is responsible leading to the killings of the former General Secretary of the HNLC. That's what you have said. So, may I know in your mind whether you would like to withdraw your court motion or not?
No, sir.
Since the Jubad is not willing to withdraw his court motion,